Hello, today we will guide you through how to set up service tickets in HubSpot. To begin, open HubSpot and make sure you're on the main home screen. This is the starting point for navigating to the tools you need. If you've just logged in, you'll typically land here automatically. Taking a moment to confirm you're on the correct page can help avoid confusion as you move through the setup. Next, look to the left-hand navigation menu and hover your mouse over CRM. This section contains the core records and relationship tools inside HubSpot, including contacts, companies, deals, and of course, tickets. Hovering over CRM will reveal more options, allowing you to quickly access the correct area without needing to search through other menus. From that menu, click on Tickets. This takes you to the ticket workspace, where service requests, customer issues, and support tasks can be created and managed. If your team uses tickets to track customer support or internal service activity, this is the central place where those records will live. Once you're on the Tickets page, go to the top right area of the screen and click Add Tickets. This is the action that starts the process of creating a new ticket. If you don't immediately see it, just scan the upper right corner carefully, since action buttons in HubSpot are commonly placed there. After that, select Create New or Import. This gives you the option to either make a fresh ticket manually or bring ticket information in from another source. For this walkthrough, you'll be creating a ticket directly inside HubSpot, so continue with the Create option. Now enter a ticket name. In the example shown, a sample ticket name is used. The ticket name should be clear and easy to recognize later, especially if multiple team members will be reviewing or updating it. A descriptive name can make future searches and reporting much easier. Then, enter the needed data for the ticket. This is where you fill in the relevant details associated with the service request. Depending on your HubSpot setup, these fields may include things like status, priority, description, owner, or other required properties. Take your time here and make sure the information is accurate, since this helps keep your support process organized and ensures the ticket can be routed or tracked properly. Once everything has been filled out, click Create. This saves the ticket and adds it to your HubSpot ticket list, where it can be viewed, updated, and managed going forward. And that's it. You've successfully set up a service ticket in HubSpot.